Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkie Bits and Bobs. Today I'm giving you a bit of an update on my speaker set, the one you just heard just a minute ago. And the reason I'm doing this is because when I first done the unboxing and my first review of it, I gave it a bit of a down on a couple of issues, and I just want to readdress them as I've had a bit of time to play about it, and I found a couple of little glitches that I thought I'd better share with you. And the first one was the lack of instructions, and that hasn't changed. I still have a lack of instruction. It shows you all the configurations on the box, you know, what is what, you know, auxiliary and all that stuff. So connection, that wasn't a problem. The problem was I needed to know whether if you plug your headset into the headphone connection on the side here, and I'll do a close-up. Yeah, so you've got headphones there and you've got auxiliary there. Should the sound, once you plug your headset in, should the sound go off so you can just hear them through your headset? Because when I plugged in my headset, and I'll give you a demonstration. So these are the ones I normally use. The microphone's broken, but they're very comfortable to wear. So when I'm listening to music or anything, I like to listen to using these. These are hyperactive, by the way. And say for instance you're playing a bit of music, like that baby there, and you just want to plug it straight into there, like so. You can still hear the music, and I thought, well, that ain't right, it shouldn't be coming out of there, it should only be coming out of here. And it is. So it's coming out of here, it's coming out of there, and I don't want it to come out of there, I want it to come out of here. So I had a little play about it, and you can, if you just move it slightly, and I can do that. So I thought, well, that's not very good. So I thought, I'll try my other headset. So I unplugged them. These are my Steel series that I've done a review on quite a while ago now. So I thought, now, is it the headset or is it the connection on this? So both got the same connection on them, and I did check up on it, and they're both identical, both the same length, both got the right amount of connections on them, so they're equally the same. Well, plug that in, it stops the music straight away, coming out the speakers that is. And sound is coming out of here, although you have to turn the volume up a bit. But yeah, they're working fine. Whereas when I plug that one in, it doesn't, and you have to fiddle it back. So it's a bad connection on there. So I thought I'd share that moment with you, because like I said, when I first done the unboxing, there was no instructions, only the instructions on the actual box itself, showing all the different variations of connections. But it didn't tell you anything about, you know, when you plug your headset in, it should cut the sound out. And I thought, well, it should cut the sound out, but it wasn't. And I found that, obviously, it's a connection on my HyperX's, which means a little bit of fiddling about. But if I plug them into that, well, it's fine. So I'm still not 100% sure whether it is the lead out of there, or it's just, you know, a little bug. And I think that's about it, really. I just wanted to share that bit with you. So unplug them again. Turn that down a bit. So yeah, I thought I'd share that little bit with you, because obviously I did say that it wasn't cutting the sound out, and it wasn't. But I'm not 100% sure whether it's the connection on this or it's actually on now. But either way, I've managed to figure out how to get around it. Either plug them in or fiddle that about a little bit. Not the ideal solution, of course, but it works, and very pleased with the sound quality. As I said in my first video, it's nice and crystal clear sound. And lovely bit of bass on it, which I like. Not too heavy on the bass. You don't expect it to be massively heavy on the bass, not for, you know, £60 odd. So yeah, very pleased. I'll stick a link in there for my original unboxing of the speakers, so you can watch that. I'll stick it at the end, last 20 seconds I believe I'll be putting it in. And I'll also put a bit in about the music in case you're interested in the music. And that's about it. So with that, if you like this little video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.